Good afternoon, children. In last lecture, we have studied about non-cooperation movement. Okay, so non-cooperation movement began in January 1921, and various social groups participated in this movement, and all of them responded to the call of Swaraj, but the term mean different things to different people. Okay, so non-corruption movement, the movement in the town areas we have studied, and we have studied about the result. Okay, and but this movement was slowed down because khadi was more expensive and poor people could not afford it, so they had to wear foreign clothes. Second, Indian institutions were slow to come up, so students and teachers joined back government school and colleges. Lawyers joined back in government courts. Okay, so this rebellion in the countryside mean villages. Okay, so this rebellion in the peasants group, the movement here was against talukdar and landlords because they have demanded high rent and asked to do begar. Begar mean labor. The villages were uh, forced to do contribute without any payment. It means they are working but they are not getting wages. Okay, so the movement here was against talukdar because they have demanded high rent and asked to do begar. So what was the demand of peasants? What was the demand of peasants? They want reduction of revenue because they have forced high rent and asked to do begar. So they want reduction of revenue. Okay, and they want abolition of begar system. It means whatever they have imposed on the peasants. Okay, so they want social boycott and of oppressive landlords. Okay, so after demanding of peasants, what they have done? They have done protest. They have done protest. So in protest, services like washerman and barber were not provided of landlords. Mean to whatever kind of services they were providing to the landlords, they have stopped. It means peasants and other people have stopped all kinds of services. ठीक है, it may. And second, the houses of talukdar and merchants were attacked. It means peasants have attacked the houses of talukdar and merchants, and bajas were looted. Okay, and next we will see this system in countryside. It means in tribal people, right? In countryside, peasants and tribal people. So now peasants we have studied, and next is the tribal people. So uh, tribal people, it means in last class ninth we have studied in chapter peasants and farmers. So what kind of act they have imposed on the peasant? Forest Act. Have you remember? In Forest Act, they have imposed some rules and restrictions on the peasants. The colonial government closed forest area because tribal people depend on the forest goods, forest product things. So but the colonial government closed forest area. They could not graze their cattle or collect their fuel wood from the forest. Their livelihood total affected because they have imposed rules and restrictions on them, and they felt it was their right to enter forest. What they thought, it is our right and British cannot stop them. And also they were forced to do begar to build roads, and they were taking work by the tribal people, and they are not giving them wages. It means begar to build roads. It means they are taking work but they are not giving them wages, right? So what was the result? It means what was the result? uh, Tribal people were furious and they have started guerrilla movement in early 1920, right? So out of them, one person, his name was the Aluri Sitaram Raju. He has taken this movement forward, right? So this person, it means Aluri Sitaram Raju, he was very much inspired by the Gandhiji. Gandhiji non-cooperation movement. He was very much inspired by the Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement, and he told to the people to wear khadi. He forced to the people, because he was very much inspired by the Gandhiji, so he has forced to the people to wear khadi and giving up drinking. It means leave drinking. Okay, so in third, he claimed means Alluri Sitaram has claimed he had special power to make astrological predictions and even survive bullets. Okay, so in 1924, Alluri Sitaram Raju was captured by the British, and after that he became folk hero of the tribal people. Okay, children, in next video we will continue our next content.